Started to have a coolant leak on this HEMI V8 on the Grand Cherokee. The coolant was leaking from here and starting to have a clicky noise, and it's actually the water pump that is gone, so I have to replace the water pump. Here's what I got for replacement part. I got the A premium serpentine belts, the A premium tensioner as well, and finally this replacement water pump, and it comes already installed with a temperature sensor directly on the pump, and also come with a gasket. We're gonna replace the water pump, serpentine belt and tensioner on this 2014 Cherokee Summit. So first remove the two clamps on the airbox. There's also a little connector. Remove the cover here. I'll just move this all out of the way. I couldn't drain my radiator, so that's why I let it pour like this. Okay, so now this can be put out of the way. Like this to put in the square of the tensioner. Now the belt is loose, and I can remove the belt. Okay, here is the tensioner out. Just 16mm bolts. Okay, now let's try to remove this bracket. That's a 16 as well. Now we have to remove this connector. Up. There we go. Yeah, so you pull the red and then there's a little tab to push here. Step, we're going to remove the lower hose here. Okay, so now the hose is out. We're going to start with the center stud, which is a 15mm. Put it back. Center stud is this guy. Okay, came out easy. So here is the reason why the pump was leaking. You can see the bearing is already shot here. I'm done with installing the gasket here. I cleaned up the mating surface on the block. I transferred all the bolts back to the old pump over there, so I know which order they are going. I'll start with this one at the top that is relatively long. And now we're gonna install the new tensioner. Make sure this little peg here gets in the hole. We have the little bracket here. Okay, thermostat. Here we go. I'm gonna put the lower radiator hose in front before I go do the belt. Okay, last bit is putting this hose back on. Just gonna clean this up a bit. Perfect. Okay, so for now it's here. We're gonna start the car, let it warm up, go to temp so that the thermostat opens and pushes all the out. That will push all the bubble out of here. Okay, the fan is kicking in, so we are at full temp. Hose is warm. As soon as the fan stops, I will shut the engine off. If you like this content, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.